Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now by gathering 3 essentials: the correct ball, a small marked area, and shoes. Lay out cones or bottled markers at 5-10 meters to create passing lanes. This sets distance and target. Begin with 30 seconds of light movement to activate muscles, then perform 10 controlled short passes against a wall or partner. Once done, increase intensity slightly to build rhythm. Doing this first trains touch, angle, and timing, so you're improving fundamentals from minute 1. You proceed by creating progressive challenges. Once the basics feel steady, set 6 markers zigzagged at 1 to 1.5 meter gaps to practice close control. Dribble through using alternating feet in 20-second bursts, with 10-second rests to maintain sharpness. Then move to wall rebound drills at 1 to 2 meters, aiming to control the ball on the first touch. This builds reaction and positioning. Make sure to vary speed and keep head up. It trains situational awareness, not just footwork. You complete the session with finishing practices and a troubleshooting tip. Place a towel or cone in the goal corners to aim for accuracy, then take controlled shots from 6 to 12 meters, emphasizing placement over power. This improves decision-making under pressure. Do 8-12 attempts, alternating feet. If you struggle with control or misses spike, slow the drill down and perform 5 focus touches. Pass, receive, settle, shoot, before speeding back up. This reset fixes technique and prevents bad habits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.